Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So I've been using foldable phones for over 4 years and haven't experienced any screen issues or faults until now. Sadly, my Fold4's inner screen suddenly went completely black and stopped working. However, the outer screen is still working. I can take calls, make calls, messaging, etc. But it does lag from time to time. The phone itself is in immaculate condition and I haven't had any screen issues previously either. So here's when it happened. And when I close it, the outer screen goes black for at least a minute or two, and then it takes a while for it to come back around. But the outer screen does work, although it takes a while to get itself to come back. But the inner screen is completely black. It doesn't work at all. I do still get calls. We have tried rebooting it. Even after rebooting it, the inner screen's not working. Outer screen's okay. So it's just come back up again. The outer screen's working fine, although once we open up the inner screen to see if it's working, the outer screen stops working as well. So if you open it up, the outer screen, okay, this time the outer screen's okay. And the inner screen completely blank. It's not working. Okay. The warranty itself is, I think today is the last day for the warranty. Yep. So I'm very disappointed. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I will be contacting Samsung. So my husband's going to do a soft reset and see what happens. To do a soft reset, you have to hold the power button and the volume button together for around 30 seconds.
Power button down.
Power button down. And then here we go.
So if I now...
So we can see the inner screen is alive because it comes on. But the problem is when you fully open, it goes completely black. If anyone knows what's wrong, please comment down below and let us know. And if there's any solution to it, let us know as well.
If I open any more than this, the screen will just go blank. So the screen isn't dead. Quite clearly it's not dead. It's functional. Sounds like to me as if there's something probably wrong under the screen, some loose connection or something maybe. So I'm just gonna now put the password in, and so as you can see it's coming on. And everything is going to be fully functional if I leave it in this flex mode position. If I open any more, it's going to go. So if I could go now and I could play a YouTube video or something, I'll get one of our videos and see. So I've used my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm for about a week now.
So video works fine, but if you open slightly more, see, I can hear the click.
I can hear the click, I can hear the fingerprint sensor vibrating.
But it's...
the vibration is still there, but
the front screen won't work for a while now. I was using it 5 minutes earlier and it just suddenly just went black completely. I can't believe it. It's in immaculate condition. Not a single scratch. And today is the last day of the warranty as well, I think. Okay, I think we'll have to contact Samsung in the morning. Anyway guys, we contacted Samsung via online chat and tried few things the operator suggested, but nothing worked. So the operator recommended that we book it in for repair with Samsung. Question now is, will the repair get done free of charge or will I have to pay for it? Which isn't clear yet. Anyway, we've now booked it in with Samsung for repair. I'll keep you guys posted with updates and progress of the repair. If you have had the same issue or similar issues with your foldable phone, please comment down below and let us know and how you resolved it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the video useful, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.